Xiaomi will release the upgrade to its most sought-after flagship tomorrow. But what exactly does an S bring to the Mi Mix 2 formula? For starters, let's look at what aspects will likely remain unchanged from the Xiaomi Mi Mix 2. The screen will remain an 18-96-inch IPS LCD of 1080 by 2160px unit. We would prefer AMOLED, sure, but the Mix 2's LCD is likely here to stay. The build materials will stay the same, we'll most likely see the same overall design: aluminum frame and ceramic back. Whether the Mix 2s will get an all-ceramic version like the Mix 2 is yet to be confirmed. The fingerprint will remain on the back of the phone, dead center. Having covered those, let's see what will change with the Mi Mix 2S. Upgraded chipset Snapdragon 845. The most logical upgrade is the chipset. Yes, the Xiaomi Mi Mix 2S will have a Snapdragon 845 inside and not the rumored Xiaomi-developed Surge chipset. No awkward side notch on the top. We were initially expecting an unorthodox corner notch for the selfie camera, but that turned out a hoax. This means the selfie camera of the Xiaomi Mi Mix 2s will stay in the bottom bezel as with its predecessor. Face unlock. That same selfie camera will be able to unlock the phone through facial recognition. And that recognition will be able to work even if you have a beard or a hat on. One of the bigger changes to the Mi Mix 2s is the camera on the back. It will be a dual camera with a 12MP normal and 12MP telephoto sensor, similar to that of the Xiaomi Mi 6. You can charge it wirelessly. The Xiaomi Mi Mix 2s will also be the first Xiaomi smartphone to support wireless charging. And finally, here's what we don't know. First off, it's the price. If the current Xiaomi Mi Mix 2 price is to be taken into consideration, we are looking at pricing between €500 and €700 depending on the built-in storage in the RAM. It's entirely possible that the Mi Mix 2s will cost even more than its predecessor too, as has been the case with most flagships over the past year and a half. Availability dates and potential water resistance rating are two more bits from the puzzle that we are missing. Not long left now. Tune in at 6 AM GMT tomorrow so we can find the answers together.